up, guys? It's your girl Dizasolutions in the building. So in today's video, I want to share with you how you can earn free Shiba Inu coin. I said it again, free Shiba Inu coin. It is also known as staking, and I'm so excited to share this with you because that's one of the things we do on this channel. So first thing you need to do is to go to more. You tap on that. As you can see, I've circled it. So you tap on more from your phone. Yes, I'm actually showing you from my phone, so you can actually do that from your phone. So once you tap on more, it will open a page. At this point in time, if you're new on this channel, we talk about make money, tech tutorials, and life-changing topics, how you can earn legitimately online. All right, so now after that, you scroll all the way up and click on staking. So tap on staking under N while we wait for that to load. So here we are. We can see TVK, we can see other coins that are here. You can see the first one, 47.67%. That is a whole lot, right? CTK 43.8 and ACA 128.8. You can see all the coins here. So now, for the purpose of this video, I want to make use of Shiba Inu coin. So, and another thing I want you to know is that the more you keep your coin, the more you stake your coin, the more you earn. That is why we have 30 days, 60 days, and 90 days. So they all differs. What you earn on them all differs. All right. So this is another way for you to earn free coins. So now I want to search for SHIB. You can also call it SHIB or Shiba Inu. So now I've searched for it. So here it is. We have 90 days, 5.25%, 60 days, 4.12%, and 30 days, 3.67%. So any one of these I wish to go for. So I clicked on 30 days, and here we are for 30 days. So another thing you need to look out for is the minimum and maximum, because if you don't have up to that, you will not be able to stake. So 1 million, you need to have minimum of 1 million units of Shiba Inu coin to be able to earn this free. Okay, so now I want to use 1.2 million here. So that is what I will be using. So I have over that there, so that's what I'll be using. Then another thing is I want to scroll up to check other details. So you can see estimated interest over 3,000. That's over 3,600 units of Shiba Inu will be giving me a return at the end of 30 days. That is huge. That is so huge, and that is just a free money. I did not work for it. It's just another way for you to earn. Okay, so now you agree to the terms and condition and you click on confirm. As you can see, lock confirmed. So once you see this, you are set to earn free Shiba Inu coin. And look at the date that you can actually redeem it. That's the redemption date, so you can come back and redeem it. And you go back to your page. So another thing I want you to know is you will not find your coin on your sports wallet any longer. So for you to see the coin that you've actually staked, you need to go to what's it called again, N. So let me leave this place and head straight to that place. So on sports wallet, you can't see it here any longer, so I'll be scrolling. You can see sports funding, margin futures, N. So you click on N. So on scroll, you see your Shiba Inu there. So don't forget to give this video a like if you find this helpful. It will gain more visibility. Thank you.